Good morning, student. So last period we have completed measurement chapter 11. Now we are to start a 12th chapter, next chapter, that is perimeter, area and volume. Okay, so we are to know the perimeter, area and volume. So perimeter means outside area we have to find. Outside measurement we have to find the perimeter. We know that the compound wall of our house, compound wall, and then or again the back portion of the ground, whatever it will be, that time we can find the perimeter. Inside area we have to find, that time we have to know the area. What we have to find the inside one. And volume, it means space. What object, how many space is taking, that we have to know the volume. So see the page number 175. See that, looking back, perimeter is the distance around the edge of figure. It means around the edge of figure means bar ki area. So perimeter of the stamp is given, Bharat, India, peacock is given that. So perimeter of the stamp is 3 centimeter and plus 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, it is 14 centimeter. It means that 4 strip is given, there it is the 4 centimeter, the like this, it is peacock is given. Is it? It is given 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this strip is given like this. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it is 4 centimeter and 1, 2, 3, it is 3 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter, it means this is also 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter, means this is also 3 centimeter. So that time perimeter means we have to add all these values. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4 and 10 plus 3. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. It is given 14 centimeter. So perimeter means simple do the addition of 4 sides. Perimeter means simple addition we have to do of all 4 sides. Whatever the side is given, any figure is given there, any shape is given there, we have to find the perimeter of the shape, that time we have to add all the side, and that is the answer. The perimeter, the formula of perimeter is sum of all sides. Is it? The formula of perimeter. Equals to sum of all sides. We have to remember this formula. Now see the area. Area is among the surface a figure cover. Area means we have to find the inside part. So what is it? The stamp cover 12 square, one side 1 centimeter side. So this box, if I had taken like this box is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter side. The area of the stamp is 12 square centimeter. It is means 12 square centimeter. So it means that we have to calculate the inside part. So that is known as a area. So here is a clue to remember the term. It is area and it is perimeter. Perimeter is written outside of the box and area is written inside of the box. Got? See that. Find the area and perimeter of the shape. Take the square of the side of 1 centimeter and using the string perimeter irregular shape. Irregular shape means it is not given a perfect shape. So we have to find the area or perimeter. So what is that? How many square is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and here is 2. So 6, 2, 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 and 14 plus 2 is 16. So total the perimeter of this shape is 16 centimeter. Again we have to find the area. We have to calculate the box only inside whatever it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 12 boxes is there. It means area is 12 centimeter. Then second is given that area we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And perimeter we have to find that it is 2, it is 3, then here is 3 again, here is 2 again here. So we have to calculate all the boxes. We will see the next step. Okay. So first we can see the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, I have already written the formula, that is sum of all sides. See that the carpenter are installing kitchen cabinets in a newly built house. What they said, that the carpenter is installing kitchen cabinet, kitchen door where they are to do the newly built house. Each cabinet door is rectangular in shape, 50 cm long and 35 cm broad. So the cabinet door is given that 50 cm long and 35 cm broad. The perimeter of the cabinet door is, it means that the door is like this. There is given a latch, whatever it will be. This says that 50 cm is this long, 50 cm is long and 35 cm is breadth. It means this is the length is 50 cm, so this length is also 50 cm and the wide width is of the door is 35 cm. It means the width is also 35 cm. So door is given like this. It is given in the rectangular shape. We should not have an irregular shape of door. Door has a perfect shape, that is the rectangular shape. So 50 cm plus 35 cm, we have to perimeter, it means we have to find the perimeter of, it is in the rectangular shape, and perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of any shape. Now they say that we have to find the perimeter of door. So perimeter of door is also sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. It means that 35 cm plus 50 cm plus 35 cm plus 50 cm. Okay. So what is that? 35 plus 50. It is 85 cm. It means this is 85 cm plus this is also 85 cm. And 85 plus 85 total is 10 and 1, 816 and 170. It is 170 cm. Is it? So this is given that. So they have taken the formula, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. I have taken sum of all sides. It means it is very easy. Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Perimeter of door, sum of all sides. We do the addition of every side. Answer is 170. In book it is given answer is also 170. We will do this pattern also. Okay. Two formula for perimeter. 2 into length plus this. So this is the door I have taken. It is 50 cm. Then this is 35. This is 35 and this is 50. Okay. So what this is that perimeter equals to 2 times length plus breadth. Is it? 2 times length plus breadth. The formula is given like this. How it is coming? The formula is coming 2 times length plus breadth. It means the perimeter equals to length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. Is it? So, it means the perimeter equals to 2 length plus 2 breadth. Is that? So, there is 2 is common to both the term. So, 2 are taken outside and bracket it is written 2 into length plus breadth. So, this formula is here taken. It means 2 into length is 50 cm and breadth is 35 cm. It means 2 into 50 plus 35, it is given that 50 plus 35 is in 85. Is it? 85. And then 2 into 85 is 85 into 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 and 1 70. It is 170 cm. Is it? Answer is coming both the term, sum of all side also, and where to do. But this formula is mostly using after 6th standard. Till 6th and 5th standard we are using sum of all side. Okay, this is the perimeter of rectangle. Everyone knows the rectangle shape length is bigger than the breadth. Got it? Now we will see the perimeter of square. Again the perimeter of square. Perimeter equals to sum of all sides. Okay. So what this is then? They are also installing square windows in the rooms. The windows have side of 95 centimeter. So square shape. Square shape means all sides are same. It is given 95 centimeter. It is given 95 centimeter. So the perimeter of the windows is 95 centimeter plus 95 centimeter plus 95 centimeter plus 95 centimeter is 380 centimeter. It means sum of all the sides of square are equal. So the perimeter of the square is side plus side plus side plus side. We can also find the perimeter using shortcut method. The perimeter of square is 4 into length of side. See the two methods we can do. First we can do by the sum of all sides. So perimeter equals to square, we can find sum of all sides, that is 95 centimeter plus 95 plus 95 plus 95. I have written centimeter in common. So it is 95 plus 95 is 10 and 1 carry 8, 9 and 8, 18 and 1, 90 plus 1. It will be 0 and 9 and 9, 18 and 1, 380 centimeter. Is that? Now second formula is that perimeter equals to 2 into length of side. It means that perimeter equals to 2 into length of side is given 95 and 95 multiplied by 2 is 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18 and 1 9. Is it? Sorry, it is not 2, it is 4 into side. It is 4 into side. It means 95 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 9 4s are 36, 37 and 38. It is 380 centimeter. Where to write here 4, it is not 2, it is 4. 4 side is there into length. So here is 380 centimeter. So we have to remember that the perimeter we have to find, it might be find of rectangle, it might be find of square. Sum of all side. It means we have to do the addition of all side. The square is also given 4 side and rectangle also given 4 side. Only the square has all sides are same and rectangle has 2 sides are same and 2 sides are different. Opposite sides are same. So but we have to do the addition of the sides. So now we can see the exercise 12a. Exercise 12a. See the question number 1. The perimeter of the object by the using shortcut. Now says that we have to find the perimeter. Now so object is given. I will give only 2. You have to write in your notebook. So it is given that first name. If you should not want to draw the figure, we have to write only the calculator. It is calculator. Okay. So it is the calculator. The figure is given 90 centimeter. It means that the length is given 90 centimeter and breadth is given So length and breadth, length is greater than the breadth. So we have to find the perimeter of calculator. We can write 3 also, no problem. So it will be, it is given sum of all sides. Write formula always. So it will be, remember, so 90 centimeter plus 30 centimeter plus 90 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. It means that 90 plus 30 is 120 centimeter plus 120 centimeter. It means that 240 centimeter. Answer is 240 centimeter. By this procedure you have to solve. Calculator should not want to draw the figure of calculator. I have written only the calculator. So calculator length is given 90 centimeter and breadth is given 30 centimeter. Perimeter, we have to find the perimeter of calculator is sum of all sides. And I have do the addition of this. Answer is 240 centimeter. But the second is given the blackboard. Second is given blackboard. What is the length of the blackboard is 153. So length is 153 centimeter and breadth is 122 centimeter. Okay, it is given. So perimeter equals to again sum of all sides. It means that 153 centimeter plus 122 centimeter plus 153 centimeter plus 122 centimeter. Now we have to do the addition. 153 plus 122 is 572. 275. 275 centimeter plus 275 centimeter. It means that 275 is 14 and 1 15 and 1 5 50. It is 550 centimeter. Okay. So this is the question number 1. Remaining you can do it. So perimeter of the square. Now they say the square. All 4 sides is there. You can multiply. It is given 3. Chart is given, you can draw the chart and then side of the square in centimeter, ABCD up to J, 3, 5, 11. Only you have to multiply it by 4. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20, 11 4s are 44, 18 4s are 25, 4s are 30, 4s are, you can multiply it by 4 because hint is given 4 multiplied by 3. Is there? You can try yourself. Then find the perimeter of rectangle. Again hint is given. 3 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2 into 5 it is 10. Is there? Then 2 into 5 is 10. We have to multiply it by 2. So it there says that only that addition of the length and breadth and multiplied by 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 2s are 12. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 2s are 18. Like this you have to do. Hint means addition of length and breadth. Whatever the answer is getting, that answer you have to multiply it by 2. Then perimeter is given, question number 4 is there, and the side of the square. Perimeter is given, you have to find the square. Divide by 7, 4. Divided by 4. The hint is given that divided by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 40 divided by 4, 10. 64 divided by 4, 8. Whatever it will be, it is coming, that answer will be there. Got? So question number 2, 3 and 4 you can do yourself. Hint is given there. You can see the hint and do it. Then question number 5. Find the perimeter of the object using the shortcut. Your maths textbook. It is perimeter. Find the perimeter of the object using a shortcut, length or breadth. You have to measure that 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter it will be. You can measure the maths book. Your table, your study table you can measure and write there. Your pencil box you can measure and write there what is the length and what is the breadth. Okay. So here we complete the perimeter of rectangle. In next period we will see the area of rectangle and area of square. We can complete. You can write the question answer in your notebook. You can solve the problem.